Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 8th standard maths chapter 2 measurements exercise 2.2 first sum. Find the perimeter and area of the figures given below. Take pi as 22/7. So look at your first diagram. We have to find out the area of this shape as well as we have to find out the perimeter also. Okay. So first we have to find out the perimeter of this combined shape. In this shape we are having two shapes. Am I correct or not? If we close this portion, it will be a rectangle because this length is 10 meter and this side is 7 meter. So if we close this diagram, we will get a rectangle. Am I correct or not? So this is one rectangle, and then we have to close this circle also. So if we draw like this, so it will become a circle. Okay. So what is the center of the circle? So here is our center of the circle. Okay. So this side is nothing but here we are having 7 meter, no? So here also we are having 7 meter. But this is our center. So this center is dividing this line segment into two equal parts. So this length is our radius of the circle. So total length is 7 centimeter. What about this length? This length is half of 7 centimeter. So 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So if we draw a circle like this, here we are having one center. This center is dividing this line segment into two equal parts. The total length of this line segment is 7 centimeter. The half of the line segment 7 meter is nothing but 3.5 meter. Okay. This 3.5 is nothing but the radius of this circle. Okay. So in this diagram, radius is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay. And then what about this? This is not a circle. This is our semicircle. Am I correct or not? So we have to take the perimeter of the semicircle. This arc only. Okay. Okay. What about this rectangle? In our rectangle, our length is nothing but 10 meter. And then breadth is 7 meter. So these are all the informations given in this diagram. Okay. Now we are going to find out the perimeter first. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the outer part of the shape. So this outer part. So this side, and then take this side too, and then take this side, as well as this arc also. What is this arc? This is a semicircle of this circle. Am I correct or not? So we have to add all the four sides. Okay. So we have to add first three sides. First 10 plus 7 plus again we are having 10 here. So 10 plus this is our semicircle arc. Am I correct or not? What is our perimeter of the semicircle? In the circle, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Am I correct or not? This is our circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the semicircle? Half of the circumference of the circle. Am I correct or not? So the perimeter of this arc of the semicircle is nothing but pi r. Okay. Half of this 2 pi r. Half of this 2 pi r is nothing but pi r. Okay. So pi r. That's all. And then the value of this one is 27 plus the value of pi is nothing but approximately 22/7 into r is nothing but 3.5 meter. And then we can cancel these two numbers. No, 1 7 is 7. So 0.35 is nothing but 5 7s are 35. And then 27 plus multiply these two values. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. And then 11.0. We are having no value for this 0. And then add 27 and 11. What will you get? 38 meter. So this is our perimeter of this combined shape. Okay. Now next we are going to find out the area of this shape. Okay. So what do you mean by area? So how will you find out the area of this combined shape? Now we are going to take this rectangle first. Take a rectangle sheet of length 10 meter and 7 meter. Cut a semicircle from that rectangle. What will you get? We will get this shape. Am I correct or not? So area of this combined shape is nothing but area of a rectangle minus area of this semicircle. Am I correct or not? Take a rectangle sheet and then from that rectangle sheet you can cut a semicircle of radius 3.5 meter. We can get this shape. Am I correct or not? So area of this combined shape is nothing but area of a rectangle minus area of a semicircle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. Minus what is the formula for area of semicircle? Pi r square by 2. Okay. So our length is nothing but 10 meter. Breadth is 7 meter. So 10 into 7 minus pi value is 22 by 7. Here also 1 2 in the denominator. So we can combine this 7 with this 2, and then what is our r here? 3.5. Here r square is nothing but we have to write this r 2 times in multiplication. So 3.5 into 3.5, that's all. And then 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, 1 7 is 7, 0.5. Multiply all the values. 10 into 7, 70 minus while you multiply this one is what will you get? 5.5. 5.5 with 3.5. 5 is at 25 2. 5 is at 25 plus 2, 27. 15, 16. 5, 7, 2, 6, 9, 19.25. So 19.25. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 19.25. So subtract these two values. How will you subtract these two values? 70.00 and then 19.25, 10, 10, 10. So 9, 9, 8. Okay. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 1, 7. So 70.75. This is correct or not? Is this correct or not? No, this is wrong. No, so this is 6. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5. 50.75. So 50.75 meter square. So here our unit is meter. Here our unit is meter square. This is our first sum answer.